So if you want to grow on social media, whether it be TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, at some point you are going to need some help and assistance. This is where VidAU comes in, an awesome web-based software that I've came across that can help you speed up the creation process. VidAU or VidAU can easily do face swapping, placing your face on an avatar just like that, and can help you promote and sell your products using URL to video. And it can also help you write the script as well and give you multiple options on which one you want to choose from to promote your product. There are a few things you can customize along the way to make sure you get the best results or something that's going to work for you and your brand. Using the latest AI tools, you can do video face swapping, whether it's you or someone else, or maybe you want to use an AI character or build an AI avatar. You can do that on here as well. Maybe you don't want to be the one in the video, but you want to use a different person to present and get your message across, and that's where VidAU comes in. There are so many AI avatars to choose from, different clothings, styles, nationalities, whatever fits your brand, you can choose from so many different options to make it possible. And when it comes to promoting your product, you can upload multiple pictures. This way, a video after being generated is put together seamlessly to help you.
Step into the future with Lambto's 9 wireless touchscreen. Experience seamless CarPlay integration.
Your way through unfamiliar routes. With its intuitive interface and wireless capabilities, Lambto is the navigator that truly understands.
There is a special section called Toolbox where you have an option to see everything that's available at your hands. You can also remove the background from any picture that you've taken of any product, making it easy to drag and drop a new background for that product. When it comes to signing up, you can choose the best plan that is right for you. You definitely have a free option or a $9 a month option, and you can choose whatever monthly option is best for you. Give VidAU a try today.